Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Google Map if it's not working well. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to fix your Google Map if it's not working well, firstly open your settings. Scroll all the way down and click on Apps. Search for Google Maps and click on it. Here you can see the Google Map information. Scroll down and click on Storage. Clear your application data as well as cache memory. After clearing your cache memory as well as your application data, turn on all the permission access on Google Maps. Now open your Google Map application. Your Google Map will be working perfectly well. This is how you can fix your Google Map application if it's not working well. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.